Hello, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? I hope you are super fine. For me, okay. I thank God. So today I want just to invite you people to come back with me. We are traveling to, just me and the kids, to Germany to visit my sisters, and just to change the air, to change everything, to have fun, to stay as a family, because in Italy I'm alone, with the kids and the husband, no family, nothing. So at least to change the air, the country, the water, also the food, not to be eating pastas. So come with me. This is for Massimo. I need to put the trousers here. At least 3 top trousers, at least also for to see how the weather, just for emergency for this weather, because sometimes, you know, the way the weather is changing. Rain, sometimes it rains, sometimes it's these are the trousers, these are the shorts, and the t-shirts. And this is his favorite. So the sweater, jumper, I'm really not good when it comes to packing. I have the panties, socks, the costumes, and then I go to the section of Marina. And for Massimo, it is done. The shoes were here. One is already inside, so the other one, and then we are done. Trousers, sweater, the shorts, and the t-shirts. Okay, some Google is up here. The panties, socks, and the costume. And then the shoes, I will put, the shoes will go this side. And this one will be mine. Here, I'll put mine. The trousers are here. The shorts are here. So, these are the trousers. Shorts. I will not pack a lot of things for me, because since we're going to my sister's place, and of course I will put also her clothes. So, so yeah, the t-shirts, and yeah, this is my favorite white short, and there, yeah, just like this. And of course the shoes, and here, these are for the kids. The sleeping mask or what. The shoes I put just 2 sandals, and then stop. Get done. I don't do the makeup, so the cream and everything will be just on top in a small bag. This is the cream and the accessories. I did handmade. I did it alone. I did it, the beads. Done. So, Marina, Massimo, and this is mine. And then I'm done. So, in 2-3 days we'll be traveling. So, yeah, that's it. Otherwise, stay safe, stay blessed, and stay happy. See you in the next.